Hi, my name is Kathleen Lutzen. I am a board certified massage therapist and the creator of the Marketing Your Plastic Surgery Recovery Massage Practice class. It's worth 2 CEUs. It gets 2 hours of your time, and it's an online class, so anyone can take it from anywhere as long as you have a computer. And I want to show you one tip that I will share in this class. So you get a lot of all my forms, and this is one of my forms. It is called the Authorization to Release Medical Records. So how do you use this form? I use this form, and this form allows me to share the client's information on what we did with their lymphatic massage with their plastic surgeon. So why is that so important? Well, first of all, we know it's important because we want to have a continuous care of the client. And more importantly, that form, that massage therapy care plan that I give to the plastic surgeon is an introduction to me. It allows me to tell the plastic surgeon a little more information about me, and it allows me to tell the plastic surgeon what I did for their client and what their result was. So this is great. So this is the first tip and the most powerful tool that I have to get plastic surgeons, new plastic surgeons that have never heard of me, to refer future clients to me. This actually worked really well. About 2 months ago, a client found me off the internet. So I did her first massage. She had a Brazilian butt lift, and I had her sign this form for a new doctor that I didn't know anything about. So I had to Google him and found his information, sent him the massage therapy care plan, and he called me. He emailed me back, and then he called me and he said, "Kathleen, this is so great. How much business can you handle? I do surgery several days a week." And he refers all his clients to me. So this is a steady stream of referrals into my business. And how did I get this referral source? Through one of the forms that I'm going to show you in the Marketing Your Plastic Surgery Recovery Massage Practice class. So I hope to see you in the class if you're ready to take your lymphatic massage practice to the next level. Have a great day.